Hello guys, and it's back with Roblox Gamer, and today we're gonna play some PUBG Mobile.
Go! Are you ready for my
So if any of you guys know this game, comment down below.
I will kill you!
And leave a like on the video.
Kill you, Kaiser! I'll kill you! Don't stop. I'm not gonna die today. You can play my laptop. No, you're not supposed to live stream. You don't have a choice.
So guys, this is my first video.
No, it's not. Now can I? No, I want to make a live stream now. I'm going down to make it. You're going down? And I'm going to wreck it. I'm going to come downstairs and annoy it.
For like all the commotion in the back. If they can say. I'm sorry for all the commotion or whatever.
Can I play for you? Yes, sir. Okay. What is...
Hello guys, sorry about that, but my mom was just calling me.
Because there's food here now.
Cause we're only eating like dinner now. Sorry about that.
Thank you very much. Let's see the code. What is accessories?
He's making a YouTube video.
Sumaya, are you gonna help me do a live stream with me, Mom, you? You play on the laptop? You? Okay?
Wait, you should play on the laptop.
You should I'm playing on the laptop. Okay.
I want this one. I want
What are
to
you
play
guys
on
playing?
Can I play on your phone?
my phone. I'm using it live stream.
No, I'm not even... I'm playing with...
No, we're not playing PUBG Mobile.
I'm playing with him. No, you're not.
So guys, we still need a gun right now because there is people here.
What hour, right?
Huh?
We play 2 games. No, actually 3 games. Based on Mining Simulator and Fire.
I'm scared anybody comes for me.
Firefighting Simulator is so lagging for us.
I'm a noob in Mining Simulator.
No, Mining Simulator based on is okay.
Guys, we're gonna try and go to that house without anybody
Very
killing
lagging.
us.
It won't even let me.
I'm
it's
not
on fire. I mean water. Okay, no problem.
I'm not going in Mining Simulator.
How are you doing there?
Good guys, we got a gun.
I mean base farm. And then Mining Simulator and what's it called?
No, not mine.
And we play backyard simulator, yeah?
And I will be playing Roblox after this video.
Yeah, okay. And then it's a live stream. This live stream I'm making it as long as I can.
You know we don't notice, but one of our videos was almost 30 minutes. Ours is 26:9.
Almost all our videos that we make, me and Matthew.
So guys, we're gonna try and get a victory royale.
You guys just want money.
No, we're not
Jinx, you're jinxed.
Now we're gonna try and go and kill some people.
I get to fart in your face.
Just saying, guys, this game, if you don't know it, it's basically kind of like Fortnite.
Hello, Diamond Gamer.
It's him that's recording.
Can I have another lychee juice?
They're finished.
And guys, if you can, go and subscribe to Diamond Gamer.
Just in case you can't find my YouTube channel, it's basically a Minecraft diamond with a cute little face on it.
And guys, go and subscribe to Minecraft and Roblox.
Because I have a video here. I will kill you if you...
I tried to go into his phone, no yours.
Huh?
I tried to go into his phone.
Matthew, when are you guys going to finish? I want to start the live stream.
Yeah. Eat faster.
Matthew, let's start and then they will join us.
First game are you guys playing?
Mining Simulator code.
I'm playing on the laptop.
No, you're
You're on your phone, it's fine.
I'm
So guys, now we need to find a car to go to the circle. Because I'm pretty far from the circle.
No. 7. We're gonna be doing codes. Okay. If you didn't know, PUBG Mobile is a fun game with Fortnite. What?
I already said that. Haha.
I know. What? You're playing Mommy's stomach?
You made a tablet containing.
I just said
Oh no, I said him. Long time I said.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.
After.
After I swear after.
You guys want to go?
Why did you have to make it a
And guys, comment down below which games you want me to play. And I'll play it.
Okay.
Okay, we're playing Riding Simulator.
First
We'll play next time.
Let me just like that.
You know, we're going into my account.
No, I'm going to.
We're playing one isolated code. And I'm doing the live stream.
Yeah, and I'm joining.
So you have to do the code from here.
So guys, we still need to find the car to go to the circle.
Okay, can you just
I think so that's a car.
I'm playing with a laptop right
do
now.
it? Start it. Do it. Welcome.
Play.
And guys, I'm sorry if it's very loud. I have some friends with me.
Hey, it's true. I ain't saying no lie. What in the freaking world? Why is my face on the screen?
You said first me.
Bro, did you join the server?
Comment down below which game I should play in Roblox, which game I should play next.
That's what I said. Okay, be quiet. I want to make a video.
Live stream.
I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm hoping it's a live stream. 3.
And guys, comment down below if you see anybody. Comment down below like right now if you see anybody. And guys, will you see here Minecraft and Roblox? They just made a YouTube video. They just posted it. And now they're gonna make one more YouTube video. So go and subscribe to their video and Diamond Game. And don't forget to finish watching this video and subscribe.
First, I'll show you the codes that all legendary eggs. I'm not in this universe, right?
So guys, good, we're in the circle right now.
Join mining simulator. And we have. Hello.
We have some shots with a shotgun right
Check
now.
out my channel.
Somebody's shooting.
To our channel and turn notifications and leave a like. Oh yeah, one more thing. My channel name is Lily Cat Vlogs and I'm gonna change it. To Lizzie Cat. What about your channel? The name is so bad. Yes it is. Mine, I stopped recording.
And go and subscribe to Lizzie Cat Love.
I'll do it.
That one. This one.
So guys, I wouldn't make this YouTube video that long.
Yes, but at least finish the Game Boy.
We're gonna try and get a victory royale for this match.
I know.
First match of the game.
No, I'm doing.
It's already in your account.
Look on lookout.
Who ringing? What? Something shake just now.
I'm gonna download the whole piece.
Guys, we have some shots with a Scarlet.
I'm downloading the
This is the smells.
There's some shots over there. This is actually better than Fortnite because like you can see the people where in the map where are they shooting. That's the best thing. Then you can just go and hunt them. Like there's one guy here. We need to destroy him. Guys, I lost. He had a Scarlet. So guys, I'm going to make another YouTube video after this, I'm now gonna play some Roblox. So bye.
Highlight the comment. You can pin it.